Hi, in this video we're going to explain how you use Symbolic tools in MATLAB to do integration. That's the example we're going to apply. If you have a function f of t and you want to integrate it from a to b, so what is the result? And you want this result in a formula, not numerical result. All right, so what we'll do first here, we are going to define the variables that are going to be used as symbols. And if you look the equation back again here, you'll find that the function is this function f is function of the variables t and k. Omega naught is not a symbolic variable because there's a value for it we're going to assign. So first, before we assign the variables, we'll say omega naught is equal to 1. So that's the value of omega naught. So what's left with us, t and k, they are symbols. So say sims space t space k. And then we write the function f is equal to t times cosine k times omega naught times t. So that's the function exactly like we have it there, all right? So it will plug the number for omega naught equal to 1, and k and t, it will treat them as symbols. So the result should be function of k and t. We want to integrate this one. If you do not have the limits of integration and just you want to find a general formula for integration, you write, for example, f capital, which is the result of the integration, is equal I in t, integration, and just you put f small, the function you want to integrate. That's all. That's it. So let's run the program and see what the result here. All right. So what we have, that's the result. The function, the integration will be equal cosine kt plus kt times sine kt divided by k squared. And I think I did that. And that's what we got. Just extend a little bit. That's the result, exactly what it is. So it's really a good way to check your integration if you have some problem involved. That. What about if you have limits? Like if you want to integrate from 0 to 1, let's say just we want to, yes, from 0 to 1. So let's call this a equal 0 and b equal 1. So we'll go there and say a is equal 0 and b is equal 1. So we're going to modify this function. We'll just open a little bit this bracket, and we'll say that we need to integrate the function f with respect to t. Why you are doing so? Because as you see, the function, it has two variables, it's function of k and t. So the MATLAB got to know which variable you are going to integrate to. We're going to integrate with t, with respect to t. So we say with t. And then what is the limit? From a to b, right? To a equals 0 and b equal 1. So we say a, b. So now MATLAB understand you want to integrate the function f, function of time, integrate with respect to time from a to b, from a equals 0 to b equal 1. So let's see and check the result here. Okay, that's what we got here. You got f is equal cosine k plus k sine k minus 1 over k squared, and that's the same result I got when I did it by hand. So that's it. It's very simple and easy and very useful also at the same time. All right. See you in next video.